What's up, everyone? It's Keelan Windorf. That's Pumpkin. She's new here. Say hi to her. And welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to get into some pranks. Now, I did a poll a little bit earlier last month, seeing what everybody wanted to see, and pranks was one of the biggest ones. Now, today is obviously April Fool's Day, and I know you probably waited super last second to get some pranks in, and you're wondering, what can I do with the short time I have just having this day to me? So, you're going to enjoy it in this video because I'm going to tell you all the things you can do to do a last minute April Fool's prank. Now, first things first, I feel like pranks shouldn't be to hurt another person, okay? I feel like it should be enjoyable on both sides. You shouldn't hurt another person mentally, physically, emotionally. It should just be kind of a laughable matter, okay? So that's how I feel about pranks. So all these pranks are going to be super fun. You might get grossed out though, but it's fine. We're gonna get right into it. So one of the first ideas I have for you is to go to a Five Below. Now, if you don't know what Five Below is or you don't have one around you, you can just discard this section of the video. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to Five Below, and in the back, they have a toy section. In that toy section, they have tons of pranks. Little quirky pranks, you know, like fake poop, fake tickets for like your cars and stuff, which are really fun. I'm a huge fan of classics, so like whoopee cushions are still funny to me. So if you can do whoopee cushions, that's great. But I have a few here too that are pretty fun. You could do like a fake tongue. So we got this fake tongue here. So you sit there and you put it in your mouth and you say like, take like a fork and you stick it through and you're like, and you like freak people out doing that one. So this is a favorite of mine. This is a snake in a can. So what you do is you get some sour candy or whatever's on there. Usually it's like peanuts or some kind of snack. You get a bag of candy and then you grab this. You know, get a handful of candy, eat some candy, and you offer this to your friend. And when you offer it, they're gonna open it and there's a snake inside. So it pops open like that. It's okay. But it pops out like that and it scares them. So it's really fun. And it's just a little spring snake in there and it has a nice sound to it. But that's some quick and easy stuff that you can get from Five Below. So this is one you can do with a couple things around your house, okay? Super simple, super easy. All you're gonna need is a mug and some whipped cream. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna find a mug, and specifically find a mug that's rectangular like this one, and doesn't have any writing on it. What you're gonna do is you're gonna make yourself a cup of coffee, set it off to the side. It's just a prop for now. And you're gonna take another mug, let's say the prop mug. You're gonna fill it up with water. You don't wanna have this filled with anything hot because you don't want to hurt anybody. You're gonna fill it up with water, and you're gonna find something that is like cardboard. I use mail. You're gonna cover up the top, and you're gonna flip it upside down, make sure that the water doesn't come out. You're gonna place it down onto the table, and you're gonna slide the mail out from under it so that the water stays in there, and now you have an upside down mug. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take whipped cream, the spray whipped cream, you're gonna spray on top of the mug right here to make it look like it's full, like a hot chocolate. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna invite your friend in and you're like, hey, I made you a hot chocolate, you know, enjoy. And you're gonna take your mug and just take a sip, and when they go to pick up their mug, all the water is going to fall out, and that is the prank. All right, so the next one is food related. So you're gonna go to the McDonald's or some fast food joint, and you're gonna grab some of these sauces, okay? So you get like dipping sauces like honey mustard or barbecue, anything that has some kind of consistency that's kind of thicker. Maybe even like ketchup. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take the ketchup, the honey mustard or whatever, you're going to take a straw and you're gonna puncture it in there. And when you puncture it, you're gonna actually open their drink, drop it in, and then you're gonna cover it up just like that, so that when they go to take a drink, they get a drink of the dipping sauce and not their pop, which is gonna be really, really nasty. But the cool thing about this is that you can do a little bit of fun with it too. So for instance, I know certain places have these clear cups. Now you're wondering, well, you can see right through it. If they get a dark enough pop, you can drop this right into it and you won't even see it. So this is kind of a convincer because they think that there's nothing wrong with it because they can see through it, but there's a little secret in there. So if you want to try that, some gross, taking a sip of honey mustard, do it to your friends, do it to your family. That's another one. You're definitely gonna enjoy it. So this next one sucks if you have to go to the bathroom. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take some toilet paper and you're gonna find the flap, and you're gonna find some hairspray. You're gonna take some hairspray, you're gonna spray the inside flap right here. You're gonna line it up with the rest of the toilet paper. You're gonna hold it down so that this seam kind of sticks and they cannot undo the toilet paper. So it's stuck and they can't get it undone. So, especially if it's on the roll, they can't rip it the way they want to, and it's gonna frustrate them. Another one too that's pretty cool with toilet paper is if you go online and you print out a picture of a tiny spider, you cut it out, you put it a little bit back more. So let's say you unroll it a decent amount, you put a spider on there so that when people unroll, they see a spider looking at them when they're unrolling, and that'll give them a good scare. That is a little bit of toilet paper pranks. Also, if you want to get a little gross with it, you can take some chocolate pudding and put it on some of the toilet paper just to freak people out a little bit. You know, you want to make them a little bit uncomfortable. Is it worth grabbing the toilet paper? But that's another one you can do with toilet paper. Another prank that's interesting is if you go onto the internet, you find a picture of somebody kind of just looking in somewhere, or you take a picture of yourself looking like this and put it in the back rear view of your car. So when someone turns around, it has somebody looking like this. Or if you can get it to where it's really tiny, the backup camera on the back of the car, if you make a smaller version of it, when they go to reverse, the camera is going to have your face looking at them like this. And that's a fun little prank that just requires just a printer and some paper. So enjoy that one. They're going to get a jump. Just make sure they don't drive off scared though. This last prank I did to my girlfriend recently, and I'll link it up above for you, that way you can check it out. But it is the broken TV prank. Now all you're gonna need is a TV and access to YouTube. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna play through the ad on YouTube and then let the broken TV just do its thing. So you're gonna invite somebody into a room, or you can make a sound like, don't hit the TV, but make it sound like you hit the TV, or something like a big crash or bang in the room happened. And this is great for if you have a girlfriend, or you have your parents, or you have a boss. Just do this and be like, oh, this happened and I broke the TV by accident, or this happened and I broke the computer by accident, and you're gonna get a great reaction. Now, be sure to stop somebody when they get a little too escalated with the prank. Like you can see in the video with my girlfriend, she took it to a whole nother level and I had to stop her because I thought she was really gonna hit me. But thank you guys for watching this video. It was very fun to give you a couple ideas. These are fun. They don't hurt anybody. It's very fun to do, and you get a good laugh out of it. Be sure to record it though, but most of all, have fun. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.